weight behind your eyes, where the day still clings like static. Not pain, just a quiet insistence, a hum of effort you didn't even notice you were holding. What if the air around you could carry it away? Not all at once, but grain by grain. This layer, 396 Hz, is the slow unraveling of that static. The moment your shoulders remember how to drop. Feel the space between your ribs widen, just enough for breath to move without asking. The heaviness in your jaw dissolves like salt in warm water, leaving only the shape of stillness. Let the hum do the work.